One bright Saturday morning, Haley, her parents, and her animal pals, Cutie the rabbit and Marsh the snail, decided to visit the aquarium. They drove through the city, excitedly talking about the colorful fish and amazing sea creatures they hoped to see. At the aquarium, they saw tanks filled with shimmering fish of every size and shape. "Look, Cutie! Isn't that fish beautiful?" Haley exclaimed, pointing at a bright orange clownfish. "And look at those funny penguins!" Marsh chimed in, watching them waddle around. They visited the touch tank, where Haley gently touched a starfish and giggled as it tickled her fingers. Cutie peered into the jellyfish exhibit, fascinated by their glowing tentacles. Suddenly, Haley noticed a little boy looking sad because he couldn't see the seahorses. "Let's help him find them," Haley suggested. Together, they searched until they discovered the seahorses hiding in a corner. The boy smiled gratefully, and Haley felt happy to have helped. As they left, Haley hugged her animal friends tightly. "Today was awesome," she said with a big grin, knowing they had shared a special adventure at the aquarium.